Ole. That is froze. Okay. Well guys, welcome back. As you can tell, I am out here where I normally would be collecting sap. And if you look over my shoulder, you probably just saw there, still got the buckets out, but we had a bit of a cold spell and it actually dropped down to like -15 Celsius last night. And judging by the weather, I don't know, maybe it's about -5 right now. So still not very warm and not warm enough certainly to have sap run. And that's why I'm here. So what I'm getting up to today is I've got two big conifers behind me, and you can see one and the other one right behind it. Those two are two dead standing trees. I'm going to take them down because eventually they're going to fall down anyways. And if I take them down, that can be used then for firewood, and I can keep it from hitting some of my other hardwoods like my maple trees that I'm using for collecting sap. So I'm going to take these down today. This is sort of a nice day job. I like to take down trees when there's a little bit of snow on the ground still, so I can still skid the wood with my snowmobile. And it's also a nice temperature to work in. Around here, the great thing about the end of winter is you have a very small window of opportunity to get some outside work done before the bug season kicks off. So I'm going to get that taken care of today. Hopefully things go well. If we look back there, the second one anyways, not this first one, the second one there, it is kind of leaning that way, which isn't ideal. And so we're going to try to persuade it a little bit and get it to fall out here in the open so I don't have to truck all the pieces from back in the bush out to the trail. But that's what I'm up against. As you can tell, it is one beautiful day out here today. It's a Saturday, which makes it great, and it's sunny, which makes it great. And winter's nearly over, so that makes it great. So overall, I'm hoping to add to that greatness and get this taken down without any problems. So glad you guys are all along, and here we go. Okay, there we go. Got the chaps on. Do up my vest. Get on there. That might be a bad sign of things to come. Can't even get the zipper of my vest to do up. There we go. Okay. Got my safety glasses, check. Got the old earmuffs. And let's hope the old Husky 555 fires up. It should. Okay. I think we're in business. So, what I'm going to do, as I mentioned, whoa, it's a bit icy out here. That one right there, you can see the dead standing one. I'd like that to fall right about where the chainsaw is. Land in the trail here. I've got a nice opening here. No other trees are going to be damaged. Looks like it is leaning this way a little bit, which is nice. So I'll get in there, clear a path, and go from there. Okay, there she be. As you can see, had some root rot. As you can see, had some root rot in there. That cut was okay. I had some good holding wood here, so that help control it. Back cut might have been a touch low, but overall landed right where I wanted. So we'll get that cleaned up here, and then we'll hopefully put the next one right on top of it. However, if you guys have a look at that one, I don't know if you can see right to the top, that one is leaning to the right and back, and it's not that big. So we'll try to drive a wedge in there to persuade it, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. But let's clean this one up first. Okay, well, that one's done. One more to go here, and I was just having a quick little look at this, and if you guys look way up there to the sky, you can see it. You guys see way up there? This one is leaning pretty heavy back into the bush a bit, and my only concern is if this one has the same rot root that the other one had, I'm going to try to maneuver this with a wedge, and it's probably going to break, and it's not going to go where I want. And I would rather make one cut and know where it's going to go than try to force it another way with a wedge and it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the lean for safety reasons. And I'm just going to go with the lean and try to bring down these two dead ones as well at the same time. So I'm going to try to shoot it right through there. And that should work just okay, I think. And that way I've got lots of exit if I have to beeline it out of here if the base on this starts to break apart. So that's the plan. Let's put her into action. have a little hitch in their step from time to time, and that one sure got hung up on me. So I brought my backup plan with me today, and that was my winch. I tend to always bring that along with some common sense. That, of course, keeps me safe. So if you're out cutting your own trees, don't use this as an educational seminar. I am definitely not a professional arborist, and I encourage you guys to go out and find a professional arborist or logger to teach you before you go and attempt anything you've seen here today. That's my YouTube 2 cents there for you. So besides that, I hope all you guys enjoyed this video. Now you know what I get up to on any given Saturday in the springtime and exactly what it takes to get your own firewood from your own bush lot. So I'm whipped. I've had enough out here today. I didn't anticipate having to do that winching, so I'm going to pack it in, and I don't know if I'm going to finish cutting this up today, but it'll get done. So regardless, I appreciate everyone being here. I hope to see you guys all next time.